You know, if you watch the show, even if you watch the show once a month, you know that I am completely in love with Mayor Rob Ford. I want to know everything about him. So you can imagine how excited I am about this new documentary one of the Canadian cable channels is running.
Discovery Canada presents a rare glimpse at one of nature's most powerful and voracious predators, the great white Ford. Savage. Cunning.
Mayor Ford, please stop disrupting.
And exceedingly sweaty. Perfectly built for harsh winter climate, the Ford has a thick, beefy hide to both insulate him from the elements and provide cushion when he falls or charges. Subsisting primarily on fermented hops, the Ford spends much of his life inebriated, sometimes resulting in erratic and often aggressive behavior. In the spring, the Ford does an elaborate mating dance. But once he has chosen a suitable partner, the coupling is quick and violent. Up next, the real reason why the Ford never hibernates.
I smoke some crack sometimes.
The Great White Ford, only on Discovery Canada.
It's impressive. It really is. Quite a body of work.